Hey YouTube, it's the McBob Gorge, and this is a potato cannon that runs on, it's a combustion potato cannon. It sparks by hitting that with a bunch of hairspray in this chamber, and you watch the potato in here and it flies out. So, all you need is a potato. Just put it in the barrel like that, and then put it a bit further down. Like that. Then you have to open up the chamber. Oh, hey, look it. There's an ant in the chamber. Okay.
Can you hold it tight?
Yes. Okay. Okay, there we go. So then, you put a bit of hairspray in. Close the chamber and shoot. It's so awesome.
What do you think of that potato cannon, young man?
Okay.
How about you?
Awesome! Awesome! Okay.